Today we are going to perform a thread using Wassertek thread cutting oil, and for this we are going to perform a demo on Wassertek threading machine. We can see quality thread now on an automatic die head. Now, we want to generate a long thread, and for this we will convert the automatic die head into manual die head, and for this we will make the trigger assembly up. Wassertek threading cutting oil is suitable even for a long thread without much heating issues. Quality thread after thread can be generated only by Wassertek.